everyone, this is Meet. So today we will be discussing about a very important topic, that is RAG and MCP. So you may have used AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini, but have you ever wondered how AI can answer questions using company's document or even book a meeting on your calendar? So at the end of this video, you will get the answer of this. So what we will be covering today, let me just give you the overview. Number one, why AI needs external knowledge. Number two, what is RAG? And number three, what is MCP? Then we will see the difference between RAG versus MCP. Then how RAG and MCP works together. Okay. And at the end, we will see the key takeaways. So let's go ahead. Now RAG and MCP, two pillars of smarter AI. Let's understand this thing. So to solve AI's knowledge limitations, there are two main approaches. One is RAG and MCP. Think of RAG as giving AI an open book exam. Just for the example I'm giving. Before answering, it searches through documents like PDFs or company files and uses that information to generate a response. On the other hand, if I talk about MCP, it's like giving AI an expert assistant. Instead of searching documents first, it can connect to external tools such as, I can say, calendar, database, or weather service while it's answering. So one focuses on retrieving knowledge while the other focuses on interacting with the real world. Okay, now let's understand the RAG. First of all, let's understand the full form, that is retrieval augmented generation, and MCP means model context protocol. Okay, so first of all, let's understand this thing. So whenever a user asks a question, the AI doesn't answer immediately. Instead, it searches first according to the knowledge base, or I can say a collection of a document to find the most relevant information, and that information is then passed to the language model, which generates an accurate and context response. For example, just for the example, if I give, imagine an employee ask, "What is your what is our company's leave policy?" Let's say. So instead of guessing, the AI searches the HR documents, finds the correct policy, and then answers based on that information. That's why RAG is widely used for companies, document, FAQs, research papers, and knowledge bases. Okay, so this is all about the RAG. Let's talk about the this one. What is MCP? Let's understand this thing. Okay, so what's the full form? First of all, model context protocol. So unlike RAG, MCP, doesn't search documents. Instead, it allows AI to connect with external tools and APIs in the real time. So the main purpose of MCP is to connect with the external tools. For example, if you ask what's the weather in Ahmedabad today, okay, the AI can call a weather API, get the latest information and answer with the live data. So similarly, it can access calendars, databases, calculators, or booking systems. So while RAG helps AI access knowledge, MCP, I can say, enables AI to perform real world actions. Simple. Now let's talk about the key differences between this. We have already covered this all things. Okay. Now let's talk about the key difference. Now let's compare these two approaches. The biggest difference is their purpose. First of all, RAG works with the documents and retrieves information before generating an answer, and I can say MCP works with the APIs and tools, allowing AI to perform action while generating a response. Okay, means while generating the response, it is generating the, I can say, like it is performing the task. Okay, so if your goal is to build an AI that answers questions from company's document, RAG is the right choice. And if your AI needs to interact with live systems such as like booking appointments or checking inventory, MCP is the best option. Okay, so I have covered this thing. Now let's talk about remember this. So if you have watched the whole video, now we will be telling about the thing which you will easily remember. Okay, so if you remember only these things from today's presentation, let it be this. Okay, RAG helps AI know, that means it gives AI the right knowledge by retrieving information from documents, and MCP helps AI do, that means it allows AI to interact with external tools and perform real world tasks. In simple words, RAG provides information while MCP enables action. Okay, now what if we do the both of like RAG and MCP? If we are using both, then it's a smarter AI, or I can say it's the best thing. So many people think RAG and MCP competes with each other, but that's not true, I think. In fact, they works even better together. Imagine you ask an AI assistant about your company's sales report. The AI can first use RAG to retrieve the report from an internal knowledge, like internal document that you have given. Then it can use MCP to connect to a database or a calculator and generate updated sales insights. Simple. So by combining both technologies, AI gains access to both knowledge and real-time capabilities, making it more intelligent. Okay. Why combines them? Now maybe you are asking why we have to combine this RAG and MCP. So combining RAG and MCP offers several advantages. What are the advantages? Like, first of all, RAG provides access to companies' knowledge stored in the document, and MCP, provides access to the live information through APIs and external tools. So together they allow AI to retrieve information, perform actions, and make better decisions. So this combination is already being used in customer support system, enterprise AI assistant, healthcare, finance, and many other industries. Okay, now let's talk about the last part, that is conclusion. Okay, so if I want to conclude this thing, both RAG and MCP solves different challenges in AI. RAG ensures that AI has the right knowledge by retrieving information from trusted documents, while MCP extends AI capabilities by connecting it with external tools and live systems. So instead of choosing one over the other, modern AI applications often combine both to create smarter and, I can say, more reliable and more capable AI assistant. Okay. So as AI continues to evolve, understanding RAG and MCP will become increasingly important for anyone who are interested in AI development. Okay. So I hope this helps you, and I hope this whole video has helped you to understand what is RAG and what is MCP. Okay. See you in the next video.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.